What's up, Internet family? My name is Aya. I'm a business coach, author, and international speaker. I talk all about business and parenting. I coach parentpreneurs who are juggling business building and parenting. And my consulting firm helps small, medium, and large sales teams with all things selling, with a special emphasis on personal branding and social selling. If this is your first time with me, welcome. If you've been rocking with me, thank you. I appreciate you. I'm so happy that you're here. This video is about best practices for parents building businesses. This is the third video in the series. Let's get into it. My best practice about building your business while being a parent is managing your emotions. Absolutely. Managing your emotions. Yes. This is emotional. Parenting is emotional. You are constantly navigating the sometimes shark-infested waters of emotions. You're going to need emotional intelligence. You're going to need EQ, emotional quotient, instead of IQ. Emotional intelligence and managing your emotions is paramount to your success, to your ease, to your ability to communicate with people, not just your children, but also anyone in your business. Business is emotional, but it's an area that you need to tap into your logic side of your brain as much as possible. Because we cannot be making emotional decisions in our business. Of course, emotions are a part of life and they're wonderful. You did not hear me say stifle your emotions, ignore your emotions, pretend your emotions are not there. No, please don't do that. No, emotions are very important. They're wonderful teachers, but they are terrible masters. You want to find a way, in a healthy way, release your emotions. I want you to prioritize your emotional health. Everything comes down to how we handle our emotions, how we react to situations. And if you want to successfully do that juggle of business building, grow your business, and be the type of parent that your children need, you want to learn how to be healthy around emotions, your emotions and other people's emotions. Prioritize your mental health, prioritize your emotional health. Do not put it to the wayside. Yes, you may not be able to enumerate the ROI of being emotionally healthy, but I'm telling you, it's priceless. The reason why we cannot enumerate it is because it's priceless. Being emotionally and mentally healthy is priceless. You can get therapy, you can journal, you can do breath work, you can pray. Find some healthy outlets for your emotions. Because the pressure is real, the uncertainty is real, the anxiety is real, the highs are high, the lows are lows. You want a healthy release of your emotions. We don't want to see you drinking or doing illegal drugs or yelling at people or taking things out on your children or stifling your emotions and having health issues. No, we want things to be released in a way that's super healthy. This is going to help you get paid. Get paid and be at peace, get paid and be at home, get paid and be emotionally stable. I know some of my tips have not been how to get $30,000 in 3 weeks or how to build a 6-figure income, because all of those things, they're tactical things, and tactics change. There's the essence of a person and there's tactics. Tactics change. Your tactics to how to be financially profitable and to be the best business will change. We're all not doing the same thing we were doing 20 years ago. And apparently with the onslaught of technology, we can't even be doing the same thing that we were doing 2 days ago. The pace that technology is changing. Tactics will always change, but the essence of who you are, that does not change. Humans are emotional, things get emotional, and how you manage your emotions is going to take you far or is going to take you low. If you have any questions or you would like to work with me as a coach, please let me know. You can email me at aya@ayaegbuho.com. You can visit my website at www.ayaegbuho.com. You can book a call, coach people individually, as well as a signature group coaching program that I would love to work with you. If you have a business and you have a small, medium, or large sales team and you want to get your sales team together, we are sales strategists and sales trainers, and we can come in and help transform your sales business from zero to hero. You can also reach out to me via email. If you're watching me here on social media, please follow, turn on your bells, subscribe, all that good stuff. I look forward to talking to you. I'll see you in the next video for the next tip. Have a great day.